In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll have Grammarly's writing suggestions available right inside Word, so you can catch typos, polish tone, and write with more confidence as you work. First, open your web browser and go to Grammarly.com Office add-in to downloading. This is the official download page for the Grammarly add-in for Microsoft Word, so going directly to this address helps you avoid any lookalike sites. Once the page loads, the download should begin automatically. If your browser asks for permission or where to save the file, choose your usual downloads folder and confirm. Depending on your connection speed, this may take a moment. Just let it finish before moving on. When the download completes, click the file to launch the installer. You can click it from the browser's download bar or open it from your downloads folder. If your system displays a security or confirmation prompt, approve it so the installer can run. This is normal for trusted apps and simply allows the setup to make the changes needed to add Grammarly to Word. In the installer window, click Get Started, then click Install. The setup will guide you through automatically, and you'll see a progress bar as the files are installed. Keep the window open until the process completes. When it's done, you can close the installer. That's all it takes to put the add-in in place. Next, open Microsoft Word. You can open any document or start a new blank one to test. At the top, look for the Grammarly option on the ribbon. Click Grammarly, then click Open Grammarly. This will open the Grammarly panel on the side of your document. Give it a moment to load. If you're connected to the internet, Grammarly will begin scanning the text that's in your document and surface suggestions for spelling, grammar, clarity, and more. Click any suggestion to see a brief explanation and apply it if you agree. If you've just installed the add-in, it can take a few seconds for Word to display the new toolbar option, so don't worry if it isn't immediate. Simply keep Word open, and once Grammarly appears, use the Open Grammarly button to bring up the panel and start reviewing your writing. That's it. Go to the official download page, let the file finish, run it, click, get started and install, open Word, then click Grammarly and open Grammarly. With those steps, you're ready to write and refine your documents right inside Microsoft Word.